Research helps us find new and better ways of delivering care and preventing, diagnosing and treating conditions. But we can't do it alone. We need everyone to take part. The ENRICH Cymru Network helps connect researchers, care home managers, staff and residents to develop, support and deliver research studies in different care home settings. So far, care homes from across Wales have joined the network of more than 700 in the UK. Enabling Research in Care Homes ENRICH Cymru is co-hosted by Health and Care Research Wales Support and Delivery Centre and the Centre for Ageing and Dementia Research. From PhD research to commercial studies, our support includes help with applications and signposting to funding, co-producing research, advice on running a study, facilitating access to care home managers, and circulating study information. ENRICH Cymru support for care homes includes news about research in your area, support in developing research which matters to your home, help understanding the research process, help deciding whether a study is right for you, and supporting your conversations with the study team. To join or find out more information, search ENRICH Cymru on healthandcareresearchwales.org.